Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 PRO, and in this video I am going to show you where to find the manufacturing date of this laptop. First of all, turn off your laptop by selecting the power options, going with shutdown option, then confirm if you have to, and then turn on the laptop by pressing the power button once, and while your laptop starts up, start pressing F2 key repeatedly until you see the BIOS menu on your screen. Then you'll see the UUID, and the UUID starts with the manufacturing date of your device. So for me it would be 26th of July 2024, and this is the manufacturing date of this laptop. So that's basically how you find it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, of course, one thing that I have to mention before you leave, how to exit this menu. Press escape and enter, and your device will reboot into Windows. So at this point, if you like this video, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.